Hello everyone! I'm filming in the kitchen late at night with poor lighting, so I apologize for the quality. In this video, I'll show you how to make the simplest mouse trap for mice. It's clear that this is for mice. Who else would a mouse trap be made for? So, it's October now. Here we are in October, and everyone knows that when it gets cold outside and the first frosts start, mice try to break into the house. I live in a private house, and for many this is a problem. There are a bunch of poisons, all sorts of them. There are mouse traps and all that stuff. But that doesn't always help. The most effective way and the simplest mouse trap if you need to catch mice. This is a mouse trap made from a can. From a regular can, half a liter or a 200-gram can or something like that. Now I'll tell you how it's done. Here is a can, a regular can and a piece of cardboard on it. You can see here. And there's a piece of sausage cut out in this shape from the cardboard. So the mouse climbs in and starts taking the sausage, gets stuck in the can. It stays down there. Then you just take the can, pull it away from the bottom and slide some paper underneath or onto a board and you get the mouse out. In short, it's such a simple thing. It's a very effective method. I swear. We do this every year because we have poison scattered around the perimeter of the house outside in the garden. There's poison for mice everywhere in the attic. In short, there's poison outside for the mice. Nevertheless, as soon as the cold starts, every fall they sneak in through some cracks. I don't know what we used to seal them up with foam. We've tried everything. They still sneak in. And 1 or 2 mice are still running around, starting to cause trouble here. That's really bad. When it comes to mice, so not only do they carry all sorts of germs and other things, but they also cause damage. They eat and they just mess things up.
So you don't tell me that I just made this up or something. Here's a real example. Look, a little mouse got caught into such a small jar. I don't have any mice. I didn't put it here. You can't think that I did this. You see, there's a piece of cardboard inside, and it just took a little piece of sausage and got caught. So, it's an effective mousetrap. It works really well. As you can see,
I think you'll catch all the mice in your house this way, or better yet, it would be best if you didn't have any at all. It started, there will be cleanliness and order. Like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of very interesting and useful videos. Good luck to everyone, bye for now. I recommend it. Here's my playlist for you to check out. Gardening and gardening tips. And there's a link at the top to subscribe to my channel, friends.